Hello, we're back, and today it's India. Not quite sure what to think.
I'm not gonna lie, they got interesting names, a little scary.
Alrighty, let's see here. Get my funky little dollar store reading glasses that my hubby bought me.
But they fit you. they fit you. It's like the green just like bam.
Okay, so we are going to start out with Kur chili whatever.
We can't pronunciate these.
Yeah.
We're gonna try. So
Which is this. And it says this snack lives up to its name. Cure means crunchy in Hindi, and the puffed rice flavor with spicy hot flavors will keep your fingers orange and taste buds alive.
Ooh. I mean, spicy can be good, but I'm expecting a lot of curry and chili powder.
Okay, I'm gonna open it that way.
It's adult proof. Do you notice that Americans always smell their food before they eat it? Alright. Looks like a Cheeto.
It's not bad. It's got like a pizza flavor. That's what.
Yeah. I'm getting like a spicy, like Italian, like pizza flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. Would I eat a whole bag?
Not
No.
me, but masala is one of India's most renowned flavors. These chips were bursting with traces of cumin, garlic, and chili. Consider bringing a little mouthwash after indulging on these. That's so India's
So in other words,
India's magic masala.
in other words, they're saying don't eat them if you're going on a date, and if you do eat them, carry the mouthwash.
Kind of leery about this one when it tells you need mouthwash afterwards.
I don't plan on kissing.
I don't smell anything. But you know what? Okay. We seriously think we had the Rona back in February. Because, like, it went through, like, the case book of what they were saying. But they weren't testing back then. And ever since then, because I was the only one that lost taste and smell.
Yeah.
And it's still messed up. That's different.
Mm-hmm. I don't know what to think.
Yeah. I don't know if it's a bad different or a good different.
But I don't know. Yeah.
I don't know.
I mean, I could see maybe why they would say carry mouthwash, but
I feel a little heat
like
coming, but not bad.
no.
Alrighty. Okay. Now we need a fab jammin'.
These names are kind of funny. Like Rollo and a Fab Jammin'. Did you see it?
No, I don't. Oh. That's right, because it's in a different.
Package.
Oh, damn it.
What?
Okay, thin, crunchy cookie sandwiches filled with smooth and creamy fruit flavored cream covered with a layer of jam on top. We've included either orange, strawberry, or black currant.
Oh.
What kind do you think we got?
Black currant. But there's orange ones. There's an orange package.
But these are something different.
Oh, no.
Nice try.
Oh, dang it. I tried. I really tried. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this. Does anyone know what currant is? A black...
It's kind of like a...
It's like licorice,
berry.
but it looks like black...
Smells good.
It smells good. All right, well, here goes nothing.
I like that.
No. It's not. Here's the thing. It's not horrible, but it tastes really blueberry. Like that's the taste I'm getting. Not bad.
So if you don't like blueberry, that's not
Right. Not for me. Now if it was strawberry, I'd be like, What are we working on next?
Katcha mango.
Oh, they're
bite.
little green things in the bottom right, I think.
Little candies. They're hard candies. Otherwise, we would split one.
Right.
Little green.
I like that. It really illuminates our. Oh. What is that?
Okay, these candies give you the best of both worlds. Sweet with a natural twist. Experience the real and puckering tang of mango that is enhanced with a light, sugary bite. I feel like I should put it back in my mouth to get the...
No.
Ugh. See?
I'm glad she's doing it because this is it is not the mango taste. It's not the mango taste that's getting me. It's whatever.
Tastes like grass, like a leaf
Yeah.
or something. You know, like if you were outside and...
you got like a mouthful of grass.
Yeah.
Oh. That's
Sorry.
a no. Nah.
Okay. Not even gonna... Seriously, I'm not even gonna try. I'll just show you what it is. And it says crisp besan sticks bursting with traditional flavors such as curry and red chili. The texture and delightful spice of these snack strands will leave you addicted. And why will none of theirs open by pulling them apart?
I don't know, because they're children proof apparently. I mean adult proof.
Yep, there I go again.
It's an American thing. I don't care where you go or what you're about to eat. We smell it.
It looks like crushed ramen noodles.
Oh. Interesting. Like
I don't know what
noodles.
that chunk is, but they show the chunks on the picture.
That's probably just the noodles.
I don't know. No. It shows it as, you can see, it looks like some sort of a spice. Try the big chunk.
It tastes like peanuts, like spicy peanuts. Holy shit. My mouth is
Damn!
I think my face is starting to turn red.
It is? Oh my god.
Holy. Ooh, hello.
Oh my god.
Wow.
And I only took a couple little pieces. You ate that big chunk. All right. Fajita mita or something here.
The big chunk is what really holds the heat.
Well, that's what I said. It looks like it's a spice.
But the little noodles, little noodly bread sticky things, those just taste like a peanut. Like, has a peanut flavor.
Okay, a crunchy, sweet, and sour snack. This bag contains a mixture of toasted components that will send your taste buds straight to the east.
My tongue is like on fire. Whoa. Let me filtering in. Oh, my face is a little warm. Don't take your temp after eating these.
I'm not sure. This kind of looks like
Okay.
it's got little pieces.
But there's like nuts.
But then there's a big thing. Looks like a little breadstick.
Alright. Okay, so this is like.
Here, we'll split the
Okay.
this.
Alright, ready? Rice flakes. You know what this tastes like to me is it tastes like a mixture of like peanuts.
I don't know what it is.
It tastes like peanuts to me.
Bourbon is a crunchy biscuit swirling in a smooth layer of chocolatey cream. These babies have the perfect ratio of crispy to creamy.
No, because of the chocolate. We have this conversation every time.
Little sandwich.
That's a no.
Kind of tastes like Count Chocula. Or,
Like chocolate marshmallows.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so far, not like in India too well, but...
I mean, those
Parle
masala,
G
but-
biscuits.
Ooh.
These simple yet pleasantly flavorful biscuits are a staple in India. Flavored with milk and wheat, they give a great nostalgic taste. Well,
We don't
probably
know
not
what
going to
that
be
is.
nostalgic for us.
I laugh. I love these videos, but I also laugh when people try American snacks or like American pizza because it's the same reaction.
It looks like a little,
like biscuit. Like, what do you call those?
like, kind of like an animal cracker.
Yeah, I was gonna say like a graham cracker. I could eat those.
Not
Like,
bad.
if I was on a plane or something.
Cadbury Perk. Layers of crispy wafers coated in thick, rich milk chocolate. Each bite has the perfect snap, accompanied by a blast of sweet chocolatey flavor.
My mouth is still on fire, yo.
That just looks like...
It looks like the peanut butter Reese's stick. It's just chocolate, honey. You know, like the wafer peanut butter take a break or something, whatever it's called. Nausea. It tastes like a wafer cookie. Those are icky, by the way, anyway.
Poppins. Fruit-flavored jelly candies that burst with tangy, sweet flavor. They also have a unique texture that Indians refer to as pulpy. Okay, so we have it wrapped in plastic, and then have to...
Hey, COVID safety. Okay. Oh, good lord. Okay, here we go. I mean, the orange flavor. Are you getting an orange flavor? Okay.
Looks like there is a different color in there. Looks like a yellow. So like yellow, green, and orange. Looks like their colors. Some Lifesaver.
Lifesaver. Yep, I was just thinking that. Lifesaver. And it's not like a weird texture.
Not that I'm noticing. But... Okay. Now we're going to try Thumbs Up. True Indian classic, this lightly carbonated soda has the perfect amount of spicy to cut through its sweetness.
COVID safety. We need, as Americans, I swear we need to stop smelling stuff. Because that is the first thing that we do and we go, oh no.
Thumbs Up.
Well, we'll tell you if it's really.
It smells like cola, like a generic cola. Yuck.
Tastes like Diet Pepsi to me.
I don't like it.
It's not bad.
Ugh.
It's not necessarily this, but I couldn't drink a whole can.
Okay. Kiss me. Kiss on me.
Kiss me, por favor.
Is a chewy toffee bar with a classic Indian twist featuring sweet caramel infused with hints of cardamom. The snack has an elevated and aromatic flavor.
Okay. So you don't need a whole big chunk. Thank God it's easy to break. This smells like the cola.
It tastes like it.
I don't know.
Whatever that is,
Yeah.
they got to be the cardamom.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it, but to me that's the same
Taste
taste I
in
get the pop.
But this is really overpowering.
Roll yo. This Indian take on the beloved Swiss roll. The snack boasts a light and airy sponge cake that wraps around a fluffy layer of strawberry cream. Oh wait, is that roll of cola? Oh, maybe I got the wrong thing. I did. Sorry. This is it. Like this don't look like no
That's on
cake.
that's on
It's on the back of this
Yeah.
one. Okay.
Oh, why does that look like an egg? Like, you know, in
Yeah,
like
it
other
doesn't look
countries,
really-
you see the egg so they make, and it's like,
I don't know if you can see the pink in there for the strawberry.
oh, okay.
Okay, here we go.
That's a banana flavor, like a banana Twinkie, but with stuffed with strawberry filling. That's a no for me. That's a a big no for me, Mauricio.
Stretchy man. Okay, seriously, that's what they're called. Stretchy man.
So we should be able to stretch
These
them out.
delicious fruit-flavored gummy men are a true Indian favorite. They have the perfect pull and chew that will keep your hand going for more. Stretchy man.
Stretchy man.
Keep the hand going.
Right, let's just hope they don't have body parts.
It is. It's a little dude.
And there's
Do
not.
you want to share one?
Yeah, let's just share one.
You can have the wiener,
Okay.
and I'll have the head. Oh, like
I
don't think it has much of a flavor.
Mm-mm.
I really don't like the texture.
Yeah, the texture is like very jelly-like. Like I'm eating, like have a
I don't know.
mouth full of jelly.
And not good.
I'm sorry if your men are stretchy like that. That's a problem.
Okay, hot and sweet chili.
Although I will say, even though there's things that we don't like, we haven't done a spit out of anything other than those those damn mango things.
Okay, hot and... Okay, I'm confused here. Take what we got. Sorry, people. Boy, whatever that is, it's heavy. I'm gonna give you a bunch.
Okay.
Oh, we did those, didn't we?
What?
No, we didn't do those. We're on the hot and sweet chili. They're supposed to be potato chips. And it looks like that bag, but we don't have another bag like that.
No. Well, maybe we didn't get that one.
Just checking to make sure it didn't fall out.
No, maybe we didn't get that.
Yeah, sorry. So, we're not going to try the West Indies or in the Caribbean, but the root word is there. So, this is a plethora of spices and flavors that burst in your mouth with every bite of these tasty chips. Well, we don't have them.
Okay. Well.
So, we next need the chocolate bar.
Which one?
No, it says a Mool chocolate bar.
This is right here.
Oh. Gotcha. Sorry. I'm looking for something that says Mystic Mocha, because that's what this says. But they sent us the orange. Okay, the candy bar that captures the rich essence of chocolate and balances it with unique flavors. We've either included the mocha orange or the bitter flavor. Oh, thank you for the orange. This is a big
candy bar.
Big, yeah. Oh my God.
And I don't like chocolate. Ooh, I'm worried.
Now, see, I like orange chocolate. I love those orange balls, those chocolate balls that you smack. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just a big
chunk of. Oh my God, we need to be able to like break that off.
Oh, none hurt me. But see, now this looks like it's got
like peanuts.
Crispy stuff in it, and that doesn't say anything in there. Okay, here we go.
Pardon me while we get some baby wipes.
Oh my God.
Oh, that tastes like baking, like the baker's chocolate. Yeah. Like if you were to chop this down and maybe make
something with it,
like a brownie or something.
Okay, next is hide and seek. India's attempt on a chocolate chip cookie went well. The crisp, sweet cookie has the perfect bite, especially when you hit a rich chocolate chip.
Oh, God. I didn't even swallow that. That's like baker's chocolate. You don't eat baker's chocolate.
No. Okay, so far it looks like what it reminds me of is Teddy Grahams.
Oh.
It doesn't. It reminds me of the chocolate chip Teddy Grahams.
No.
Are the really cheap Walmart cookies?
Yeah, no.
Hey, I'd rather have that than
that
orange.
Chocolate aftertaste is cool.
Okay. Are you ready? Mad angles. Oops. Mad. These crisp and crumbly chips have a unique pickled mango flavoring that leaves you with a hint of zesty mango, lime, and chili in every bite. That just sounds not good.
I'm a little wondering like what this is.
I don't see them eating any of this on 90 Day Fiancé.
Right. We need to have a conversation with 90 Day Fiancé.
I don't know who's been from giving her the bigger piece.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. Here goes. Okay. It smells funky.
Yeah. It tastes better than it smells.
But this tastes like biryani. It tastes like biryani rice. If you've ever had biryani rice, this is what it tastes like.
Don't know what that is, so.
It's delicious.
Okay, good day, cashew. Snap into these rich, buttery cookies and enjoy the crunchy texture left by the crushed cashews scattered on top. I opened it without...
Have you ever noticed when we break things in half, it crumbles? Because it's 2 cookies in one, thank you.
No.
Yes. There's nothing holding this cookie together.
Okay, sorry.
Muzzle tov.
Muzzle tov.
Interesting.
I like that.
This has like, at first you taste it and I'm like, okay, like a Nella wafer, but this
more
has
of a
like
buttery,
like this is like a substitute for a buttery popcorn. That's good.
All right, we got one thing. Okay, now we're at the Roll-A-Cola. The name says it all. The small package contains small, solid cola-flavored morsels. It's honestly a huge mind trick if you ask us. Skin.
My mouth is finally not on fire.
It's brown.
Why does this remind me of black licorice?
Okay, here we go.
There's that spice again.
I'm not a cardamom person, apparently. Cardamom. Is that how you say it?
Yes.
Cardamom. Okay. Jamila's. Soft and squishy gummy bear candies that come in various fruit flavors. Their tasty, intense flavors will literally melt in your mouth.
We don't have those.
Well.
2 items now. I'm very disappointed.
Okay, but they replaced them with something else, but didn't tell us
what they were. So, we're going to go to Google.
Well, she's going to go to Google because she could see my phone. We're looking at it.
Yeah.
Whatever this is, it's pineapple. Magic. M-A-G-I-X.
Hold on. M-I...
M-A-G-I-X. Snack. Put India. While she's looking, I'm going to pull it up. We're going to try it. Okay, this one is a cookie. See, there is cream in between. And it's apparently pineapple flavored. Don't know. But we're just going to try it.
Try it. I don't know what it is.
If you like pineapple, you would probably really like that.
Okay, let's find out what this thing is.
And now this is S-O-A-N
Yep.
P-A-P-D-I. Oh, man. Blended with natural cardamom.
Okay.
Indian sweets.
It's being slow. Okay. The popular Indian dessert, it's usually cube-shaped or served as flakes, has a crisp and a flaky texture. It's traditionally sold loose in a rolled paper cone, but modern industrial production has led to be sold in tightly formed cubes. The popularity of sweet, newer flavors such as mango, strawberry, pineapple, chocolate have been added.
Yeah, I'm not looking.
It's got graham flour, sugar, flour, ghee, milk, and cardamom.
Oh my god, you guys. I don't even... That just looks... It looks very fibrous. It looks like tree bark that you know,
right.
like when it splints.
It's like sawdust.
Yeah.
It's a sawdust product.
Can you see? It does not smell good.
It's natural.
Look at how it
Bangladesh,
breaks
India,
off.
and Pakistan is a
It-
very...
Yep, look at how it breaks off, though.
It flakes. That's what they said. They serve it in flakes.
Damn that. Okay, sorry, but this is...
As much as I can.
Yeah.
No. It's the cardamom. I can't.
All right. So, India. What do you got to say to India?
Do better.
Yeah. Do better.
Do better next time.
Snack crate.
Do better.
Yeah. I mean, you should have something.
Especially if you're
Substituting.
substituting. Just saying. However, our next snack crate ventures us to Japan.
Oh, that one. There's going to be something
It's
fishy
gonna
in
give
it.
me my Home Alone look.
There's going to be something fishy in it. And if anybody's watched our previous ones, which I know it's not a whole bunch of you, but some of you do watch them. And we don't do well with fish, seafood of any kind. So, all right. Until next time.